Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and welcome back to another third quarter designs design team layout. So we're going to do these two from me spinning the big wheel in Vegas. We're going to do a little mixed media. I think I'm going to use this scrap. I always like to use up scraps first to mat the photo. And let's see what we got. These are all fun embellishments. So let's just put those to the side. I don't want to use that one yet. Oh, it's on the wrong side. Because I don't want to, I'm facing that way. So, it's got to be something down this side. We could go with that. Maybe on that one. Oh, I like the hot air balloon too. I do like the house. So I'm thinking we'll use this as the background. I would like to fussy cut we're going to gut this. We're going to use this and we're going to mat it because I'm really digging that. And then we can line that up there. Let's see. Hold please. And then trim that down, run that there, and trim my photos to run on that. Yes! So we'll run that like that somehow. Kind of cut those out a little bit. All right, ideas in place. And yeah, all right. So I know. All right. We are gonna get it because, not gonna lie, guys, I love this paper so much. So there is that. We are going to take 1/4 of an inch off of each side. Okay, so that one was a little bit more than 1/4, but that's all right. All right. And let's see. We'll go. Then we have to come in, and I'm going to scuff the edges of that up. So 3.5. So let's do this at 3.5. Where's the other photo? Three and a half. And then that's gonna go, see, that'll fit nicely in there. Then we just need to take it down, because what is this? I'm hoping this is, I need to make this 12. So these are 6 and 6, so these need to be might have been too much cut off. That's all right. And I did get the new Tim Holtz trimmer, you guys. When I was at a crop. Oh no, it's in my car. Jamie was selling it, and me and her mom totally were like there, and we were like, oh yeah, taking advantage of this. This paper is so thick and luscious that these little Fiskars are not wanting to go through it. So save that for a later date. Okay. And then I always test. Let's make sure. And we're gonna scuff up all the edges of this. Okay, so we're going to scuff that up, and then I'm going to have this sit on there and scuffed up, but I want to do it like right there. And we're going to do brick here and then brick all the way down. So, and I'm just going to use the light and fluffy modeling paste. Alright, and like I said, we'll scuff the edges up, and then I'll come in with some black soot and just, ink the edges a little bit before I do so. There's a little bit of white showing from the horrible way that I cut it. So yeah, we're just going to go through and do that. So give me a minute to get that all completed, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got just a hint of texture in the background, as you can see. I did pop that up on this little photo block up on some foam. And now we're just going to take some of these pieces and just get them stuck on here. So do like I am squishing it down just into that texture paste a little bit. Probably gonna have to, I'm gonna do that. We'll have to squeege some liquid glue under there. So let's get this on here. Let's come under. Yeah, we're gonna have to go with liquid glue on top of that texture paste because it's dry-ish. You can hear my dog snoring. It's kind of funny, actually. So we're gonna stick this right here. We're gonna make this like one big band coming across. Just have to know that once you get the liquid adhesive on there, it's pretty much solid, right? Okay, where was that other little piece? And then let's finish this one off. These pieces are so gorgeous that it's like, it's just a little bit of effort, right? Alright, so we'll save that for another one. Let's get that pushed down. I'm going to come in with some flowers. And then let's grab a blue one. Ooh, there is thunder on the horizon. It has done nothing but stormed here all day. I feel bad for the people that are all, you know, here in the States, it's Memorial Day weekend, so. And then I feel like Alright, I'll be right back to finish this off. So I did pop this little guy up on some foam. We are going to come in with some more of these gears because I really just love them. And we're going to tuck them around. That will give a little bit more depth and dimension to what we've got going on here. So we're just going to tuck that little guy there. We're going to hold for a minute. You just hold them down and that glue will adhere. I feel like that's actually only supposed to be one. What do you think? You think I'm going to kill myself here? Probably. Ow, yep, I knew it. So that's fun. So we're just going to let that be 2 so that I don't end up bleeding, because that would be bad. Let's go with this guy. We'll stick him there. I might actually be bleeding. I apologize. Whew. Just gotta hold so that they stick. And all right, and then we're going to come in with these fun little half pearls. We're just going to pop them around. So if you have not checked out Third Quarter Designs, please head to their Facebook group and everything that I will have linked down below for them, because you will 100% not be disappointed. They have so many gorgeous items. I've got too many. They keep popping together. In their collections, you will not be disappointed. What do I feel like? Okay. Just gonna stick that guy there. I always have a hard time with these little fellers. I actually feel like some of them have little half pearls underneath them, and I'm just really, yeah, see, like that guy did. For sure. Just try, oh, come on. A lot of these are stuck together. Okay, so it's not me, and I think that I need to work on that. That was a little bit more, but this is like a brown, but it has like a purple haze to it, which is always super, super duper fun. So, and then we got one more. All right, and that's gonna finish it for our layout. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this to get a couple ideas of how to use these vintage looking collections. They are so gorgeous. I am in love, and I really wanted to use this train for my husband because he loves trains. But you know what? I love him and he loves me, so we'll just go with that. But that's it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.